Affirm Holdings Q4 2025 earnings, profitability breakthrough. Affirm Holdings Q4 2025 earnings showcase a fintech leader hitting its stride. Let's break it down. Affirm reported $876.4 million in revenue, up 33% from $659.2 million last year. Net income flipped from a $45.1 million loss to a $69.2 million gain, a 253% swing. Earnings per share reached 20 cents, beating Wall Street's 11 cents forecast. Gross merchandise volume surged 43% to $10.4 billion, reflecting robust growth. Operational strength. Affirm now serves 23 million active consumers, up 24%, with transactions per user rising to 5.8 from 4.9. The merchant network grew 24% to 377,000. The Affirm Card drove a 132% GMV increase to $1.2 billion, with active cardholders nearly doubling to 2.3 million, boosting engagement. Affirm's adjusted operating margin hit 27%, up 4.3 points, fueled by AI efficiencies and high-margin products like the Affirm Card. Real-time risk models keep defaults low while scaling growth. Offering 0% APR loans with merchants covering finance charges attracts lower-risk users and lifts conversions. For Q1 2026, Affirm expects $855 to $885 million in revenue and $10.1 to $10.4 billion in GMV, with adjusted margins above 26.1%. Full-year GMV is projected to top $46 billion. Losing Walmart as a partner poses a challenge, but new deals with Amazon, Shopify, and Apple, plus UK expansion, keep Affirm agile. Affirm stock jumped 16.33% in pre-market trading on August 29, 2025, and is up 27.4% year-to-date, outpacing the S&P 500's 10.2%. CEO Max Levchin credits credit discipline, AI, and the Affirm Card. Despite rate risks and competition, Affirm's diversified model signals sustained growth. Wrap-up. Affirm's Q4 2025 results highlight strong growth and profitability. With smart tech and global ambitions, Affirm is redefining BNPL. Can competitors keep up? Time will tell.